Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use Zelle on Varo Bank. So how to use it? It's very simple. As you can see here on varomoney.com or the Varo website, you'll find at the top that Zelle is now in the Varo application. So how to use it? You use it as any other banking option. You just go as an example, try to add money or transfer money, and you can use your linked Zelle bank from the Varo app. So the process exactly is very easy. What you'll have to do is just go, as an example, to your Varo app, make sure that you are logged in into your account, and then if you find the transfer button at the top, you'll have to click on it. But if you don't, click on move money at the bottom, then you will find the transfer option. So just go and click on that, and then once you click on transfer, you can choose to link your account, and you'll find the Zelle option because they added now Zelle on the Varo app. So just go and link your Zelle bank account from there. Once you link it, you can go and transfer it and use it however you want since it's linked with your Varo app. So you will not have any issue with that at all. And just in case if you don't see the Zelle in your Varo app, all you need to do just go and update your Zelle or update your Varo application and check whether your account is eligible or not. Normally, just an update issue, especially if you have an old Varo version. So yeah, that's how you basically use Zelle on the Varo app. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.